Home Remedies presents Hair Care, Long Shiny Hair, 2 Easy Home Remedies. Long hair has always been something most women yearn for. No matter what your hair type, how you treat it at home, with clean treatments, masks, serums and deep conditioners can make a huge difference in how it looks and feels. It is always best to learn good hair habits to make your hair grow faster. In today's video, I will share with you 2 easy remedies on how to make your hair grow longer and become shiny as well. Remedy 1. Ingredients: honey 3 tablespoons, banana 1, milk 3 tablespoons, egg 1. Directions: blend all the ingredients in a blender and apply the mask on your hair and scalp. Wait for 30 minutes before washing with a mild shampoo. Remedy 2. Olive oil 5 tablespoons, egg 2. Directions: mix the ingredients and apply the mask on your hair and scalp. Wear a shower cap and wait for 30 minutes before washing with a mild shampoo. Tip: in order to avoid damaging the hair, always be careful with the hair dryer. Instead of using it right after you get out of the shower, let your hair dry naturally and then use a hair dryer to dry your hair. If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.